Hello and welcome back. What I'm going to do today is a egg fried rice chicken stir fry. But what I've got is this. Don't know if you can see that. It's a Tilda egg fried rice mix, and it's got long grain rice which has been steamed, scrambled egg, water, corn flour, lemon juice, salt, pepper, peas, carrots, no, onions, sunflower oil, ginger, natural flavourings, don't know what that is, salt and garlic. And you can either do this in the microwave or you can do it in the pan, and it only takes about 3 minutes in the pan because it's already done basically. So what I'm going to do is, I've got some chicken, just going to slice this up a little bit. A small Ziploc bag. Put these in here. And some garlic. Salt, pepper, squeeze of lemon, I'll leave that lemon in there. Olive oil. We'll leave this for about an hour and a half, and then we'll get to it. So, see you soon.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we get the heat on. So in the background, I'm just cutting up some smoky bacon to add a little flavour to it. So we've got a little bag of goodness. Take a lemon out. Squeeze any lemon that's left in there. Leave that cooking away, and we'll add the bacon in a little while. That smells awesome already. Let that cook down a little bit more, then we'll add our rice. Chop up some of these big bits. So we'll see you soon. Just going to put an onion in with it, white onion. Add our Tilda egg fried rice. this only goes for about another 3 minutes and then we'll have a dish up. So see you soon.
A few moments later.
So, there we go. Our chicken and egg fried rice, like Matilda rice. Smells absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to have a little taster. Wow, very hot and very tasty. So yeah, absolutely lovely. Be a nice, quick, easy meal, and yeah, I love it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Bye.